Hi there guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to let the wife, who at the moment is very beautifully modelling these peaches, turn them into a beautiful peach crumble cake. So first we're going to make a lemon curd. So let's start with 250 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of lemon juice, 200 grams of sugar and 30 grams of cornstarch. Give that a little mix together, then take it to the heat and very slowly heat through until it starts to thicken. Make sure you keep an eye on it because it will thicken very fast once it gets going. Then take it off the heat and slowly add in one at a time of 3 egg yolks and 30 grams of butter. And then to make it extra smooth and silky, we're going to sieve it through a sieve. And then cover with cling film, but make sure the plastic is actually touching the lemon curd to stop it forming a hard surface on top. And we're just going to leave that to completely cool. And then get your 5 peaches that are in season at the moment and they're so beautifully juicy. And we're going to dice up 3 of them. Just cut them in half, and then in half again, and remove the stone and just dice them up. And with the other 2, we're going to slice them, just like the wife is very delicately showing you. And then transfer to another bowl, and we're just going to pour over 30 grams of brown sugar. This will start curing the peaches and releasing all the beautiful juice, almost caramelizing them. So just give that a little toss and leave it to the side, and we'll on to the base. Crack 3 whole eggs into a bowl. Give that a little whisk before adding 100 grams of sugar. And then give it another whisk before sifting in 180 grams of flour. Then just fold that together so it's all getting nice and smooth and silky. Then fold in 50 grams of melted butter, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a good pinch of salt. Then fold through the diced peaches and make sure they're all nicely coated before lining a baking tin with greaseproof paper on the bottom and all the way around the outside. Then just pour it in and spread it out evenly. And then we can start laying out the sliced peaches that we've cured with the brown sugar. Just make sure to put a nice even layer all the way across. Make it look nice and pretty if you like, and then just stick that in the fridge to chill for 10 minutes while we make the crumble topping. So combine 110 grams of flour with 60 grams of brown sugar, a pinch of salt, a little dusting of cinnamon, and 60 grams of room temperature butter. Then get your finger stuck in and combine it all together until you get like a crummy, crumbly crumble. Then we can bring back the cake, and next we're going to put the lemon curd. So very nice and evenly spread that across the top. And then throw on the crumble, completely cover the lemon curd. And then we're going to bake this in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. If you want your crumble to be a little bit browner on top, just turn the oven on to broil for the last 5 minutes until you get something looking like this. And then let it completely cool. So we left ours overnight in the fridge. And the next day we removed it, and as you can see, the beautiful layers from the outside. And then cutting into this thing, you can see that unfortunately we should have cooked this for another 5 minutes, which is why I told you to cook it for 45 to 50 minutes. But all the flavors were there. The peach, beautifully sweet. The lemon, citric acid, breaks through that beautiful crumbliness on the top. And as you can see, it's held its layers pretty well, except right in the center where it just needed that extra 5 minutes in the oven. You can see the wife liked it. Oh, yeah, that's right. Take it with you. Yeah, bring it to me. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one.